Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important weekly legal news from 20th December to 25th December 2021. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that there is no discrimination between a married and unmarried daughter in matters of compassionate appointment. In the case of State of Karnataka versus C.N. Apurva Shri, the Supreme Court has upheld the Karnataka High Court order directing that a married daughter cannot be discriminated against in matters of compassionate appointment. The court was hearing an appeal against the judgment in Bhubaneswari versus State of Karnataka, and in that case, the court has held that if the marital status of a son does not make any difference in law to his entitlement for seeking appointment on compassionate grounds, the marital status of a daughter should make no difference, as the married daughter does not cease to be a part of the family. In second important news, the court has made some important observations on section 438 of CRPC. The Supreme Court in the case of Mohammad Shameen Khan versus State of Jharkhand has held that filing of second application for pre-arrest bail after rejection of first application under section 438 of CRPC is not correct, especially in the absence of no substantial change of circumstances. In the present case, the court has held that the petitioner's counsel was unable to show any change of circumstances to invoke the jurisdiction of filing second application under section 438 of the CRPC. In third important news, the Supreme Court has held that High Court cannot pass adverse order against third party who is not before it. In the case of Anu Kumar versus State, the Supreme Court has held that under section 482 of CRPC, a High Court cannot issue directions for proceeding against a third party who is neither before the court nor given an opportunity before passing the order. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has held that negative discrimination cannot be claimed under Article 14 and 16. In the case of Rajendra Badayak versus State of Jharkhand, the Supreme Court has held that one cannot claim negative discrimination who are the persons who have been erroneously regularized. In fifth important news, the Supreme Court has held that a candidate cannot alter his declaration during the selection process. In the case of Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission versus Manish Pakawale, the Supreme Court has held that a candidate cannot alter or deviate from his declaration regarding correctness of information at the selection stage. Lastly, the Supreme Court has held that dowry death is to be presumed if wife was harassed for dowry soon before death. In the case of Parvati Devi versus State of Bihar, the court has held that Section 304B of IPC, read in conjunction with Section 113B of the Evidence Act, leaves no matter of doubt that once the prosecution has been able to demonstrate that a woman was subjected to cruelty or harassment in connection with a demand for dowry soon before her death, the court shall proceed on the presumption that it is a case of dowry death under Section 304B IPC. The court has, however, clarified that this presumption is rebuttable and can be dispelled on the accused being able to prove through cogent evidence that the ingredients of Section 304B IPC have not been satisfied. Lastly, we have an important announcement that Jurisedge Academy is organizing a 3-day workshop from 7 to 9 January, details of which can be seen on your screen. The workshop will largely focus on issues regarding what should one do after LLB, roadmap for becoming an academician, and various other career options that are available after LLB and LLM. The registration is free, so if you are interested, you may register through the link given in the description box. This brings us to the end of our video. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.